Siguro based din kasi sa film, hindi mo pinakita kung ano diba? But I want to know, as individual, paano po yung after? Ano po yung process or perhaps next steps nung mga nagpa-test? If we have, gaano katagal naman yung pupunta sila sa health center ba? Or magre-recommend ba si motivator? Can you please enlighten us? Ano yung next procedure na pwedeng i-look forward nung someone na magpapatest na ay hindi to mag-e-end sa 15 minutes tapos ano nang next yan? Ano pong next na gagawin?
I think meron tayo dito from Love Yourself na may link to treatment yung conversation. No?
Hi po, good afternoon. I'm James po and I'm from Love Yourself. So thank you for the question. So after that po, let's say for example, nag-reactive na po yung client, we call them client, ililink to care namin sila. So for the CPS Motivator, maghahanap po sila ng nearest facility kung saan sila gustong magpa-treatment. So much better din sana mas malapit kung saan nakatira si client para at least convenient sa kanya to go to any hubs. And then, kukunan sila ng another blood test for confirmatory test. Tapos ipapadala siya sa San Lazaro. Doon namin siya pinapadala. And then, babalik siya sa hub kung saan sila nag-start ng treatment within 2 to 3 months for their confirmatory test. And then, doon po malalaman yung confirmatory test niya kung positive or negative na po si client. And then, bibigyan din naman siya ng monthly supply. First month supply ng treatment niya for antiretroviral. So, yun po. And then, of course, may follow-up kami na consultation every now and then. And then, we're giving out our Viber or our preferred contact number sa client namin para at least ma-monitor namin yung status nila. So, ayun po. Thank you.
Actually, yun din talaga yung next concern eh. Kasi we always encourage people to get tested. Pero anong mangyayari after? And I think as a motivator or as someone working in this field, importante na ma-secure mo, ma-assure mo yung someone na may kasama siya, haharapin yung resulta na yun.